Solve this system by elimination. Scale the x terms to 63x and negative 63x, so they cancel when we add. Multiply every term in the first equation by negative 9. Multiply the x term by the same factor. Now multiply the y term by that factor. Finally, multiply the right side too. Multiply every term in the second equation by negative 7. Multiply the x term by the same factor. Now multiply the y term by that factor. Finally, multiply the right side too. Add the aligned equations. The opposite x terms cancel. The x terms cancel. The y terms combine to 103y, and the right sides combine to 309. Divide both sides by 103. That leaves y equals 3. Use y equals 3 in the first original equation. Replace y with 3. The remaining x term equals negative 7. Divide both sides by negative 7. X equals 1. The solution is x equals 1 and y equals 3. It makes both original equations true.